How to search old text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the search bar at the top and type in the text message that you're looking for. For example, hello. As you can see, you will then get your previous text messages containing the word hello in them in the results. Tap on See All above to view all the message results. Tap on any to open the conversation. Then, go back and open the Settings app. After that, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. On this page, scroll down or search for Messages and tap on it. In the Messages Settings page, scroll down to the Message History section and tap on Keep Messages. From here, you can select a time range. Tap on Forever. Following these steps, you can easily search old text messages on iPhone.